how to fix low Bluetooth volume on Xiaomi phones. So if you have low Bluetooth volumes on your phone, what you can do is you can scroll all the way down to your settings, click on About Phone, and then tap on the build number multiple times until you are already a developer. So from in there, once you have enabled developer options, head over to your phone dialer. Then from in there, just input right here this code, which is hashtag or asterisk hashtag star hashtag. Then input 364, then 6633, hashtag asterisk. Then you should be able to done that. Then onto there, next thing you need to do is you just head over to your settings, click on search, and then search in here for audio. You can click on that, or you can also go right here to this. We have in here the music and audio. We also have in here this audio balance. So for this part, you can head over and choose in here the audio balance that you want for this. Make sure to enable this in order to actually correct the hearing. So for this part, you can also head over and then search in here for the actual Bluetooth audio playback quality. Click on that, and in here it's under actually the developer option. You can find it right there. So you can enable this Bluetooth HCI Snoop blog as well as a lot more options that we can see right there. So for this case, just make sure to enable in here the Bluetooth options, the inputs, and in here the hardware accelerations in order to actually speed up the process. If you can't, you can also search in here for volume, and in here just adjust the volume to the highest possible level right here. So that's how you actually fix low Bluetooth volume on Xiaomi phones. Hope we help.